With all the great decorative stitches on the Pfaff sewing machines, it's no wonder you can have so much fun with them, but even more fun if you put them into the sequencing area, which is also like the memory. So to turn the memory on, touch the ABC button, and you'll notice it will go right to the alphabets. If you want to not do alphabets, go ahead and touch the sequencing for the decorative stitches. So depending on which one you actually go into, this one will do our alphabets, this one will do decorative stitches. And you can actually combine both. So if we wanted to go ahead and put in a decorative stitch, how about stitch number 120? And let's put it with stitch number 119. So if I put in both those stitches, now we'll stitch out a combination of those stitches. So back and forth, back and forth. So if we wanted to save it, we could also save that into the memory with the heart with the arrow pointing into it and touch OK. I have noticed with this machine there is only one memory in this machine. So if I go back to just a straight stitch and I pull up the memory, I get the last thing that I saved. So if you're thinking you want to put in a lot of things in memory, there's one memory. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's do a decorative stitch. How about stitch number, let's do 92. Oh, let's here, open up the memory, get back into here. And we can touch and hold the trash can, and that will clear this out. Let's do decorative stitches, so switch over to here. And let's do where we're going to use mirror image. So how about stitch number 132? And that's a heart. And let's do it again, 132, but this time mirror image it. So then when you stitch, you'll have flip-flopped hearts as you sew. So there's no limit to what you can actually do in the memory of this machine. Again, if you want to save it, it will overwrite the last thing that you had in there. And then when we want to go back to the memory, it will bring up that last saved combination. So have some fun and try out some different combinations of decorative stitches in with your memory. And next, I'll show you how you can do the sequencing with lettering.